YouTube. It's again very gloomy this morning. It's been raining a lot last night. Like a lot, like downpour. At least it's not snowing or no freezing rain or anything. That's good so far. It is kind of close to 0. What's supposed to be today? It is 0 and it's supposed to be -1. Oh, it's gonna go the other way. Oh no. Few rain showers, changing to snow, ending this morning, then mainly cloudy. Okay. Temperature falling to -7 in the afternoon. That's rare that it falls. Huh. Well, that's gonna be great. Well, at least most of the ice is kind of gone. Hello, could you load the course? Oh my lord. That is not loading. And yes, I'm doing this on my iPad to separate the audio because I still can't figure out how to separate different browser sources. Player movement. See if I do the full URL. Did I forget the reverb all of the stream? Or just the beginning? I'm pretty sure I didn't forget all of the stream. Hold on, I'm just gonna plug in the iPad. It's like 33%. Oh god, I can't see my power bar. Hold on, I have to really bend over. Ooh, that's a sport. Oh, just a minute or two of the start. Okay, that's good. Because you scared me for a moment. I was like, did I forget it? The whole course? I mean, the whole stream? That's not great. Why is it not loading in my iPad? Hello? Lovely. Love that it works so well on my iPad. Oh my. Can I do this? No, I can't do this without watching the video. I wish I could. So this morning we're doing mastering turn-based RPG development in Godot 4. So it's a lot more interesting than the other one, maybe. Like a lot more like player interaction and
everyone,
stuff.
and welcome
That's fun
to
if
this
I let
short
you hear
course
this
on
part.
how to make a turn-based RPG in Godot 4.
This is the free preview.
On this course, we will learn how to set up the player movement and animation,
At least more
create
interesting
our
than
tile set
rollerball
and design our
thingamajiggy.
map, create beautiful user interface for our players, add enemies and combat, make it possible for our players to gain experience and level up, and we will set up NPCs and create our quests. We'll create menus for our game, and we will end it with...
Yeah, so a lot more interesting. There was another one I looked at before this one. What was it? I forgot what it was. I think I was like... because I was trying to find one that would be interesting to do. Where is it? Which one was the other one? I forgot, but anyway, I started it, and the guy had quite the accent, which is fine, but it makes it kind of hard to understand. But then his microphone was also bad, so I was like, oh, the combo of both is gonna kill me. So yeah, also my course is not loading on iPad. Why not? God, the website sucks. Can I... What's the URL for the dashboard? Because like, if you look, this button here, to go back to the dashboard, you need to hover over the button, but hello, I can't do that on an iPad. Hi! I'm using an iPad. Oh, bad devs. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard, if I can. Student. No, not student. Student. Dash courses. Just student dash, that might work. Gonna work, not. Yeah, I'm streaming the process of me learning to make games and stuff. We're pretty much in the beginning there, but welcome in. Hello, good morning. Oh my god, I finally loaded. Hell yeah. Can I go into this? So yeah, I'm using a course that I got from Humble Bundle. It's not great. Well, I mean, it's got basics, but like there are other things that kind of annoy me. Lots of AI stuff. Right now you can't see them, but there's like some AI stuff you can see in their pictures that they're using a lot of AI also. But yeah, there was another one we did previously that was in C#, and the girl doing the course was doing a lot of like AI stuff, like her functions and everything. I was like, oh, I hate that. That doesn't help me with learning basics. And then we got stuck because of vectors, and I was just like, I'm just gonna do something else. Alright. I got it to work. Oh, hell yeah. And so I'm using this on my iPad, what you just saw, because I can't separate my audio. And vectors. Games by Angel, hello. Loading, please load. Thank you. So, since it's a paid course, I can't really have the audio for you guys at the back, so I have to separate it. But I still have to, like, listen to it myself. So yeah, let's get Godot going. And again, I played too much Pacopia yesterday. Oh my god. I was like, oh no, I'm just gonna do this. Oh, just a little bit of that. I'm just gonna build this house and do that. And then next thing you know, it's like 9:30 and you haven't eaten supper yet. You've been known to develop? Cool. Maybe you'll be able to help me. Do you use Godot Engine or Unity or Unreal? And paid courses classic, yeah, right? It's some of them seem fine, but some of them I'm just like, I don't want AI, I want to learn. Godot's there. Yeah. And I'm using it through Steam because it's just simpler for updates. So much simpler. And so like the other course was in C# and I was like, oh, I don't feel like installing Godot with the .NET stuff. I was like, ugh, we're just gonna keep Godot. So complex. All right. Oh god, I forgot I changed my theme. I forgot I changed all the fonts in my Godot. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's create a project. Okay, let me just start this. Make sure my sound's loud enough so I can hear it. Oh, he's got subtitles. Finally. Oh, a good course. That's another one of my gripes with the other ones. No subtitles. Sometimes they're hard to understand. They go fast and you're like, whoa, what they say? This guy has integrated subtitles. Good guy. Good guy. Why did it just Godot? Well, yeah, it's 100% free. I didn't know if, like, knowing myself, didn't know if I'd abandon the project halfway. I'm so ADHD, like, ugh. And yeah, Godot was like the good starter option if you want. And like maybe one day I'll delve into the other two, but maybe not. I don't know. I bet you haven't played an MMO all weekend. Not true. I played Zenless yesterday. I always do my dailies in Zenless Zone Zero. Always. I don't know what it is about that game. I just like it so much. I made a video in Unity if you're interested. Ooh, nice. But I'm not doing Unity though. It's highly advanced, I guess, self-promotion maybe. It's probably too advanced for me now. But I don't start from nothing. I do have some background in coding. I am a web dev, technically. I've done PHP, Ruby. I did a little bit of computer science back in the day, which I abandoned after 2 years because I just couldn't. It's not for me, like C++, Java. We did learn some SQL stuff, like all that, and I hated it. It's like a movie. I mean, a movie about in Unity. Oh, now I get it. Okay, I thought you meant like you made a tutorial. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice, solid choice. Good. It's pretty much perfect for getting started with game dev. Yes. Yeah, but as I said, I do have a base in coding already. Well, obviously I do a lot more JavaScript these days, but a little bit of C#, a little bit with Razor templating. Yeah, C++ was awful. I know some people really like C++. I don't like it at all. Like, ugh. Yeah, until they hide the EACL. Yeah, no thank you. Alright. Create project. Yes, also. My theme is weird looking, I know. Can you get on with it? Jeez, can we create this project? Yes or no? Oh, that's why I can't hear him. Sounds the other way. Hold on. I messed up. Turn-based RPG should be fun like that. He's going with forward. And I don't have any versioning right now, and I don't care. This is a tutorial. Whatever. I'll get Git at some point. I do have Git already, but I just haven't connected it. I will send you good karma. Well, you'll have to whisper it to me. Unless you have it on your Twitch, then I could find it. Create. It's not very different from other languages. Yeah, well, I don't plan on doing no engine, that's sure. Yeah, Godot's on Steam. I think it was it Trop that told me, or did I find that out myself? Was it Blender you told me about? I forgot. I have Blender on Steam also. Yeah, because updates are so annoying. Yeah, I have Blender here too, and it's fun because you can see the number of hours you've put into your stuff. Yay! And Blender. Okay, maybe both. Maybe. So we're probably gonna be doing 2D for today. All the C languages, and I hate the Java. Yeah, Java. Yeah, Python seems nice. Seems alright. Yeah, you can't link links in my chat, so you'll have to whisper it to me. It's a motivating video. Oh, can't wait to see. It would be cool if I could see how many hours I have in all engines. Ooh, yeah, right? Oh, wait, hold on, I forgot a thing. Pause. I got to put the timer on. Oh no. For those who are new, we are learning multiple skills during the week. Today's Godot. Tomorrow's the free day. Sound design really needs help right now. Okay, 87. 40. Alright, start the timer for today. I really went ham into 3D though, the other day. Well, last week actually. How do you whisper? How can you do it without... Wait, if I write in chat, you might be able to do it. Hold on. So if I write in chat, you just have to click my name. You should see... Is there an option? I think there is. Well, obviously I can't whisper myself. So you have to click on my name, and there should be an option to either follow, whisper, invite. That's why I'm looking on Trop's thing. It tells you like when you follow and all that. There should be like a little window. That's how you whisper. Yeah, so exclamation point project, you'll have the link to that website. I do try to keep a log of what's happening every 2 weeks. I should be writing the one for 5 and 6 because we've gone through 5 and 6 already. A little log to give a little idea. Also, I'm gonna have to show you guys Patrick because it's St. Patrick's Day. Because we finished him. Well, I finished him yesterday on my own. Yeah, Godot didn't really go forward much. And then we have sounds like the worst one. Worst one of the bunch. And then Blender, which I have to update.
They don't have engines, they don't have wings.
Nosmo.
It's a basket in the sky.
Good morning, Nosmo. Hello. Was I gonna do something? I had something come into my brain and be like, oh, I have to do this, and then we'll continue, but forgot. Great. Okay, your videos, your YouTube's on Twitch. I could check that after stream. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Also, I saw a lot of art streamers do a lot of like anonymous follows where they go follows are anonymous here. Is there a reason they do that? Like, should I start doing that? We gave input kind of, but not really. Oh, you're right. I was supposed to show you Patrick. Oh my god, I'm scatterbrained. Oh, you can't whisper. That's weird. It'll be like anything I've ever seen. Well, let me show you something you've never seen. Hold on. There's Patrick. He's a little dark though. I'm gonna have to lighten the image a little bit. But yeah, I finished him out. Yay! The background's very simple, but yeah, the important part is Patrick, obviously. But yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day. We're not gonna be watching it right now because I really have to get on with the Godot thing. I only have like an hour and 10 minutes left. It's a very short stream in the morning. I don't have that much time. I always just stream in the morning. Also, it kind of implied that I... whatever. Anyway, let's get on with it. You just said we're gonna wait for it to load. It's not that long. What's he on about? Probably a 2D scene that we're gonna make. I'm just gonna get ahead of him. He's just, he's doing a lot of the basics too. He's doing like, oh, this is a node tree, this is this, but we've already seen some of the stuff. Oh, you can't see. Yeah, James does the anonymous, so does Kirsty and the other person we raided into yesterday also. I was like, why do most of the art streamers do that? I don't know. Then again, it would save me the trouble of saying names all wrong. Maybe that's why they do it. Oh god, he's still talking. Okay, I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit. He's talking about the interface. Hello? Oh, this interface sucks. I can't go forward. Okay. MammothClub is really not made for iPads. It's awful. Thank you for the follow! Let's try some anonymous follows first. But thank you. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Welcome in. True. It is distracting enough. When I watch James, he's awfully going off in weird tangents. Oh my god, he's slow. And I tried to make the interface less white, because for those who are wondering why this is so pale and why it's not dark mode, it's because usually there's sunshine appearing here. I have big windows and I can't see my monitor, so I don't want to like close the shades. I'm very stubborn for that. I'm like, I want the sunshine, so we're going light mode. But yeah, I tried to tone it down a bit so it's not fully white. Kind of hard to do. Godot doesn't really have a lot of customization. It does and it doesn't at the same time. I wish I could go for like little bits and pieces. Like Blender, my Blender's nice. Phil, good morning, yo. Not knock, who's there? Warren who? Wearing anything great for St. Patty's Day? Yes, I'm wearing a green screen. It's literally a green screen shirt. From Corridor Digital, if you guys follow them on YouTube. Alright, it's player. Can I? Yep. Character body 2D. I learn a lot by doing also in my case. Like just following along, somebody just explaining the ins and outs of something and not showing it. I can't do that. It'll just go in ear and out the other. You just have to do it in front of me. Wait. Whoa, he did. Oh, can I go back? I cannot. Doing it on iPad sucks. He like changed it, but whatever. Oh, I'm already on it. Oh, I have to fix that. I do have to fix colors. I can't see when it's selected. It's like the contrast is not great. Where was it in? Editor settings. Theme. Base color. Maybe make the base color a tad darker. You can see it a little bit better. Maybe a little more dark. It's getting pinker. Oh, slightly better. It looks a little more pink than I wanted. That's what I don't like. Like everything becomes pink. It's like, can't I just like do little bits and pieces to make like little contrasts and stuff? Oh well. Okay, so he has Sprite 2D. Also, I just don't understand how he got rid of this. Did he just like drag it? Can I just like make this the... No? Huh? How do you do that? Magic. Just magic. Maybe it'll still work. I don't know. It's still so much better than the eye burning white it was, right? Right? It was like... But then again, like code is still kind of... let me see. I just want to try something here. Just to see how... It doesn't matter, I'll erase it after. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, this was even whiter before. Like all this, but oh, I can barely see my mouse though. Ooh, it's like green. Okay, little colors I have to fix here and there. Yeah, so trying to get a theme that looks like my blender. Alright, let's undo and remove the script. Whatever, probably use it later. Stefan, hello! Right click node and you can change it to... Ah! Really? How do I do that? Change type. Wait, I'm actually gonna redo that. Yes. Change type. Huh. Good thing you're there. Oh, well, yeah. Player, thank God. Still there. Sprite 2D. The more you know. Good morning, Tanvir. Hello, good morning. Yes, change type. We have a little bit of a delay. Oh, he added a collision shape. I got so stuck on that one little detail. Alright. Okay, we're gonna start with the icon. Wow, what a beautiful player. Beautiful. Collision shape, we're probably gonna make it square like the image. Can I? Oh yes, it's like Photoshop, nice. Oops. I changed my... Oh no, wait, hold on. Oh no, I changed my keyboard again. No, let go of my mouse. Stop. Okay. It's not perfect. Let's just fix that a little bit. Okay. Struggling. Also, another thing about like learning all sorts of skills, shortcuts on every single software is different. Sometimes there's similar stuff, but I get so confused because I do Blender and then for work I do Cinema 4D Lite. I always get confused between both of them. I'm like, oh right, that's not how we pan or move or whatever. So Blender is just basically with the mouse for the most part, or like shift and stuff. And Cinema 4D is a lot with alt instead of shift. It gets confusing. What are you trying to... Wow, you're a little late there, but yeah, I'll go check their stuff on YouTube later. Miss Turney, good morning. Hello. Ha! I saved my scene before him. I'm still Pokemon, right? Yes. Just gonna loop it. Attach a script. Oh, I can't do Control Shift N, seriously? Habits. Hi. Morning. Happy St. Patty's Day. Oh no! Well, doesn't matter. He like changed something, it's just for the template, but I just have nothing in mind. It's fine. We're alright. Speed. We got some speed. He's going for 250, okay. He still has his process and ready functions in there, but if I need them, I'll make them. Funk. Movement. Vector? There's gonna be a lot of like, what the heck's going on for you guys. Gonna be like, okay, we're doing all the things. So he's doing right, up, down. What type of project am I working on? So we're following a course. I'll show you guys. Just gonna shut him up for a second. So he's right now the lessons on my iPad, so you guys can't really hear that. I can't separate it. But I can show you what we're doing. What's it called again? RPG. So this is the one we're doing. So right now I'm at the very beginning. So previously we were doing the 3D roller course, but I didn't like the way it was going. So now we're doing this one, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I learned from this one. Because the other ones were kind of a mess with AI and stuff. But this one seems pretty detailed and pretty good. I like that. The guy seems to go into details about like what everything does, at least, and doesn't use AI to just generate their functions. I hate when it's, what is it? Happy St. Patty's Day. Yeah, I got some green, lots of green, green screen. If I turn on my, do I still have my chroma key? Hold on. Can I still turn that on? Apparently. And there's my test image in the back. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Wow. So that's what we're doing. So like, it's just a course really. I'm not like developing my own game yet. I will, I just don't feel ready. Like I'm the type of person that needs to know the ins and outs of code and stuff to like really get into things. I'm like optimized brain. I'm like, I need to optimize my code and like, but that's like, I just have to get away from the fact that I can't be perfect from the first go at it. It's perfectionist. Okay, play. Okay, whoa, velocity. So we're normalizing. So, what does that do? I know what normalize does for sound, but visually, what does it do? Like, for the speed and stuff, for the velocity. I don't know. Normalize? Yeah, okay, I wrote it right. How's the morning going so far? It's going. It's going. Not bad. I was kind of tired this morning. I was like, I don't want to get up. But that's the problem when I get obsessed with a game. I just want to play the game and I don't want to work. And I get up and I'm like, oh, I don't feel like it. How long have I been programming for? It depends which language. Back in the day, I did some C++, Java, a little bit of that. That's far away in my brain. Probably not up to date anymore. Done some PHP, Ruby. Again, back in the day, back in 2013, roughly, yeah, I was doing PHP. I did a little bit of SQL also with databases. I was getting pretty good at those. But yeah, I haven't touched those in a while. Now that I'm a front-end developer, technically I don't really have to do that anymore. I don't have access to that either with where I'm working. I do more like actual front-end stuff right now. I do more like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, good old stuff, you know. But a little bit of C# with Razor templating. That's pretty much it these days. Pretty much it. Move and slide. He's talking about documentation. Okay, I'm just gonna create process. He's going into it. Process, there you go, that took 2.5 seconds. Do I like the big screen? I'm going for a really, I don't know, I'm in my pink phase right now. I don't know what's going on, like, everything pink. It's just so pleasing to the eye. You should see my Switch 2 case. It is very pink. So is my controller. I was like, huh, I think I have a problem. I think I'm going all pink now. I like the pastel pink, like the nice little pleasing pink. I don't know why. But yeah, it's already better than bright white for your eyes. Player movement. Explaining the ins and outs. Setting it up there because it calls it every frame. Project settings. Okay, he's gonna set up his actions. Oh, lowercase, because that's why we wrote. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Good morning. Are you also a dev? Okay, he just went left. Right. Whoops. I wish I was still in that field so it would go faster. Up. Down. Holy, I slept in. Well, good morning, Jordan. Hello. I still stretch in the morning. Ugh, I really need to get back to exercising. I can feel my back is getting sore. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Okay, what were we doing? Okay, so left. I had to go like left, right, yes, A. I was like, oh, I don't know why I confuse my left and my right sometimes. Even if like maybe I have to write on my hands and be like, okay, this is left, this is right. I don't know why they get inverted in my brain sometimes. I'm sure you get this question a lot, but I've started learning C#.net and passed the foundation course, but I feel stuck on actually making anything. Oh boy. Not really. Like, I only know like very, very small stuff in C#, like, and very Razor templating based for Umbraco, which is a CMS. But yeah, I don't know. Are you looking for ideas? Cause yeah, no, my ideas come like late at night when I'm like showering or something. It's just like random brain fart. Or you could do like what you could do is maybe try to remake a game, a simple game, to like practice, not to release it, but just to practice. You could do that. Could be an option. That's a way to practice your stuff and try to figure out how they made things. Yeah, can't do dark mode or else I die. I die because I'm like this when the sun comes out. Right now, we might get a little bit of light. The clouds seem to have some holes in them. Very thick though, thick clouds. Oh, I went ahead of him. Okie dokie, are we done? Okay.
We can hit this scene only.
I can't see my mouse when it's in the middle. F6. Wow, we can move. Okay, that part I'd already learned. So we're fine. Whee! Okay, speed's nice. Go for 500. Oh, nice. That's much better. Yeah, small game jams also, but if you struggle finding ideas, game jams might be a little hard. But remaking games can be another option. No, Martifus, you're going into the Expedition 33 rabbit hole again. I mean, it was Mr. Ernie, but now, oh god, I have 2 people now. Speed is multiplied by... Oh, no, it's not. It's not. You are right. You're very right. Well, I'm following the course, but you are right. It should be delta. I'm gonna follow the course as is. Maybe you'll fix it. I have Godot set up for C#, and the reason why I chose language, I just can't seem to start the base? Is what you mean? Maybe you could find some courses on YouTube. Maybe there's step-by-step courses you can find. There's that. That's what I like doing when I look for stuff for Blender. I go for like little free courses. Same with Godot, but Godot I paid for the courses, so it's a little different. Okay, he's done with that. Let's make this complete. Player animations. I'm assuming he's gonna give me source files because I'm not making my assets this morning. And the correct animation. But yeah, it should be delta, but he did not add it. Yeah, it prevents bugs. It's doable, but yeah. No, you didn't, Mr. Ernie, but Mortifus did. Look, you guys are gonna be taunting me with Expedition 33 forever until I eventually play it. One day I'll play it. One day I'll buy it, first off. But I just paid for Pocopia, so it won't be right now. Pocopia, which is way more expensive. Because I had to buy a whole Switch too. Oh no, it's fine, Jordan, it's fine. I'm assuming the assets are going to be included with the course. I'm assuming they are. Hold on, let me check source files. Let's go in source files. Should be in this one probably. But thank you. Yeah, you still kind of have to do it, the delta thing, but it's more smooth. It's better if you do it. Yeah, it hasn't come up yet. Or he forgot in his lesson. It's possible. We might fix the code later. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for a second because I don't know what's gonna open. There we go. Downloads. Extract all. Setting up player animations, resources, player character. Good lord, how many folders does he have? Okay, we have them. We have attack, dead, idle, item, jump, special 1, special 2. Whatever that is. Walk. And why are my PNGs rendering for some reason? Don't know. Or look at some game jams, see what the challengers are, and think what you would do. Yeah, start from small stuff. Like, you might have like big ideas of what to do. But don't do like me. Don't try to make a whole game in one go. No, I've been alright. So far, I'm like trying to dose myself to not like start a game and then end up having to redo it because I did it all wrong. Trying to not do that. Do like little things. And then if you're planning on a bigger game, you can also do little prototypes for every function in that game and then eventually bring them together. It's hard to go step by step without actually just copying mindlessly. Yeah, it is hard for that, but I feel like I try to not just mindlessly copy and understand what I'm copying. Like, for example, I asked the question of what normalize was, but didn't get an answer to that one. I'd probably have to check the dog. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Come back here. Returns the result of scaling the vector unit length. It still doesn't tell me. May return incorrect. What? It doesn't explain to me, like, visually, what does it do? I've purchased like thousands of dollars of 2D assets I never used. Jeez. It's alright. It's alright. I'm good for now. Maybe I'll ask eventually. We'll see. What kind of game is on my mind? A kind of a mix of an anomaly game and phasmophobia. So there's gonna be the anomaly part that I have to figure out, like how to generate anomalies in the scene. And then there's the phasmo part where I have to figure out, like, depending on the anomaly, what evidence is gonna be to figure out what ghost is there. It's gonna be weird for me.
Shouldn't work. It's a basket in the sky.
You guys like that one, don't you? Sets the length of the vector to exactly 1, so it is only used to represent a direction. Oh, okay. Horror! Yes, that too. It's gonna be a ghosty horror game. Alright. Next lesson. My god. My cover on my iPad is weird looking because I did a lot of this with the drawing yesterday and I can see it. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna import the assets real quick. Create new folder. These over here. Bloop. There we go. We have all our assets. Nice. Set the range of a vector to -1 to 1. Directions can be negative. Okay. Why is it so late? Nah. It's not late. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Good morning. Are you also a dev? Twitch seems buggy today. Is it? I don't see it on my end. I don't know. Alright. Player movement, player animation. Oh, I forgot to bring water. Oh no. Oh, wait. I should actually rename that because I have a feeling there's other assets. Another folder, player. Can I just put them in? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. There we go. Measured in real units and can't be negative. Vectors. Sprite 2D. Sorry, when I'm not talking, I'm actually listening to what he's saying, but he's not saying much. Like right now he's showing that if you slide that in, it's only gonna do like a square full of little guys, which is not what we want. That's what he's basically showing right now. Oh, because, great, we're changing type now. Wait. Okay, yeah. Change type. Animated. Animated sprite 2D. I'm just gonna rename it because that's a little confusing. Animation, I guess. It's fun to argue about vectors. You need help, Tavier? Yeah. Movement. Yes.
Can select sprite 2D, build animation. Gonna find some sprite range, then click new sprite.
Animation. Hold on. Huh? Oh, it's this one here. His was a little bit different. Right frames. Okay. Oh, it's late for you. Ah, I see. Why is pink distracting? It's just a color. Is it Wonder Woman? No, there's a dark mode. It's just I changed my colors. Oh no, it's fine. You're not an a-hole. It's fine. Especially in the beginning like this, I do appreciate when you guys try to explain stuff. But to each other, I guess, yeah. I mean, you don't know how much someone else might know. Like, they might know a lot, but you can't just assume. Sometimes they don't know, and maybe they'll be appreciative of what you teach them. Sometimes they'll be like, yeah, I know that. That happens. I'm sure you're not dumb. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Good morning. I'm sure... Well, I do call myself dumb. Also, sometimes. Sometimes I'll do things where I'm like, why am I so dumb sometimes? Okay. Idle. Whoa, pause. Hold on. Idle, and then... It's taking forever. Oh god, he's explaining sprite. Can we move ahead, please? Ugh. So long. Yeah, it was cute and not work. Well, there's a fly. Sorry, I get distracted by the littlest things. Idle, right? He's going for all the directions for idle. Okay. Also, for those who might be like, oh, this technique is not optimal. I don't choose. This is a tutorial, okay? So he might do things that are weird, like delta thing. So, not my problem. For now. I'll make it better after. Yeah, it's crazy, scary how how dumb one can be and still drive a car. Yeah, I see lots of those on the road. Fun times. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Good morning. The more that more learning comes from conversations like this. Yes. Yeah. Indeed. Yes. Animation idle up, down. Oh my goodness. Down is left. And then we do the same for walk. Great. Maybe I could try redoing Pocopia. That would be a bit crazy. Like, yeah, choose your games wisely when you want to redo them. Pocopia would be insane. There's just so much going on in that game. With all the Pokemon stuff too. Oh. Like just the Pokemon functions and everything must be like insane. Who's there? Patty, who? Patio furniture. What? What? I don't know, Jordan. I know in other previous tutorials I've added Delta to speed, so I don't know why he's not doing it in this one. When you have dumb like this, posted a knock knock joke every time she gets a phone. We went from dad jokes to knock knock jokes now. I'll have to change the sound. We're like just like a little chime ding or something. The progress of what? Are you talking about Patrick? Cause ain't he beautiful? He's done. I showed him to James in Discord. I saw his reaction on stream. I don't think he was expecting that. It's kind of funny. Did I do everything? Yeah, I did everything. Sorry. Blah 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 blah. He's talking a lot. Okay, let's go back to idle art. Woohoo! Oh no, wait, wrong one. Hold on. Idle. There we go. Add frame. Wow, simple. Oh, you're talking about Pokopia Tanvir? Is that what you're saying? Like show progress? I can't because I don't have a capture card for the Switch. Yes, a pain on the art team. So many random assets needed. Yeah, there's so much going on too. Like the Pokemon will react to you when you go buy them. Sometimes they'll give you things. Sometimes they'll have quests for you. Like there's a lot of like that too. It's kind of random, depending. Lots of randomness, that's for sure. And like just the blocks and everything, just like rebuilding Minecraft basically. Yeah, a lot of it's copy paste from Animal Crossing. It is. It definitely is. There's like even sounds. Some sounds are identical to Animal Crossing. Like when they're surprised, it's exactly the same. It's like the little boom, and then they have like the little animation above them. It's exactly the same. Go to Mordor. One does not walk into Mordor. Simply walk into Mordor. Okay, scaling player. Transform. Oh, I think he went 3. Okay. Kind of looks like his collision. Hold on. Capsule. Dee 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 dee. Do do do. Roughly there. Good enough. And as you can see, I'm still on the Pokemon Lo-Fi playlist. I'm going hard into it. Obviously, after stream, I'll be checking on my buildings again. I'm like, yeah, build more. I want to make villages and stuff. And I found Pallet Town, which is written different from the original Pallet Town, which is kind of an area where you can do whatever you want. It's kind of a clean slate, nothing. And I started rebuilding Pallet Town, and I'm like, I've got to get my houses done. And like I go off on so many tangents. I'm like, oh, I want to make a road. Oh, I need to do this, do that, do that. And then like the quests kind of take the back burner. And I'm like, oh right, I should go explore more. Whoops. You just made it. Wait, you have the game? Huh. You just made it rain. Yeah, that's like in the beginning area. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I finally went to the third area, or one of the third areas. I don't know if you can end up in the same areas as everyone, or are there like different areas you can go to. I don't know with the level, but I went to the place where you have mines and stuff, where you find match oak. That's why I went. And yeah, I'm like trying to take it slow. It's kind of hard. Music is too good. Yes. Pokemon has some good music. I'm just gonna reduce a little bit. Tiny bit. What did I choose? Left? Okay. I'm not sure anymore. Ding, ding. Dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Walk down. Ah, whoa, 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 whoa. Out of habit, I did shift. Was not the way to go. Oh, wait. Which one do I have selected? Down. Okay. Oof. It's from the Kanto region? Yes, it makes sense because it's all old Pokemons for the most part. Some of them, though, I'm like, who are you? Some of them I have seen, but I forgot they existed. Also from other gens, like Dartrix. I was like, who the hell is Dartrix? I was like, oh, it's that starter Pokemon's evolution. Oh, jeez, it's been a while. Left is that way. I was like, which way? The Wasteland is Fuchsia City, Rocky Ridge is Pewter City, and Mount Moon of the beach is Vermilion City. Vermilion I kind of figured out. That one was pretty obvious. I don't even know. It was Skylands? There's Skylands? What? I'm not there yet. Celadon and Cerulean Cities. Huh. Interesting. That's cool. I wonder if they'll release like DLCs and release other cities. I have a feeling they might. Because they have a DLC for Animal Crossing, so maybe we'll get the other ones. And maybe we'll get all Pokemon for a change. Like, I'd like to have a game that has all 1,000 Pokemon. There's so many! All the Pokemon! Oh yeah, well I thought she was playing, but I guess you could play on her Switch too. True. Yeah, I really like the game. But yeah, it's kind of like me in Minecraft. I'll go off on weird tangents and like build projects that I go off of and like just go crazy, and then I want certain Pokemon and I'm like trying to build their habitats and waiting impatiently for them. Like, come on, get out of there. 8-bit stream for lo-fi, well, late evening for me, but day. Good evening then. Oh, Drifloon. Yeah, you got Drifloon. Yeah, he's so cute. I like the ghost Pokemon. My goal is to get all the ghost Pokemon. I just got Ghastly yesterday. I was like, yes! So happy because I want Gengar. He's my fave. And Mimikyu. I don't know if Mimikyu's in the game. Don't know yet. I have like my little plush of Mimikyu beside me when I play, and I also have my Gengar Squishmallow beside. Yeah. I also have Sandile. I don't even know if he'll be in the game. He's more of a later gen, kinda. Is it what, 3, 4? I forgot when Sandile came out. Later, but not that much later. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Alright, got all my walking frames. 3rd gen? It's possible. 3 or 4, yeah. That's what I have in mind. Okay, all the animations are there. Yeah, obviously animation is not set up yet. Script. Here. I'm getting hungry. I'm watching him just go and go blah blah blah. I'm like, food. Food would be nice. Okay, it just makes it bigger like that. Just to get more space. Okay, we're doing some unready. Oops. Oh, I'm seeing some sunshine trying to poke out of the clouds. It's not giving it to me, which is weird. I renamed mine, so. Funk. Player animation. Ah, I can't type this morning for some reason. I find weird. He's like not doing any like return. Like if I feel like good practices, you should have the return and everything. He's just not doing it. Kind of annoying me. Oh god, it's getting bright. How bright is it? Not too bad yet. Not too bad. Alright, what are we doing? You just pass for no reason? Nice, you cleaned your office. Nice. Yeah, it does help to clean. I don't know, first Pokemon Sandfall? What? Velocity X is greater? Nope. Nope. Great. Well, 0? Whoops. Direction. R. Elif. I hate that I don't have a space beside my if. I can't see my mouse. Jeez, why is it so pale? See, which one is this one? X or Y? X. X again. Smaller than 0. Yeah, I'm just gonna let him finish so I can just do them at once. Copy paste. Could you finish? Thank you. Jeez. God, my mouse is hard to see. That's another thing I have to fix. So that is left. Just gonna copy. Do Y. Bigger than 0. Nope, other way. B. Am I missing something? Oh, direction is not declared where? Huh. Interesting. Y up. Sun is getting bright. Blue and red, but I was never into it as an IP. I've always liked Pokemon a lot. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, that's not a function of Twitch. You can't like streams. It's not like YouTube. What the heck is direction? Is it because he's using another version and it's something that's like a hopefully my version doesn't mess it all up. opacity equals vector 2, 0. Okay, let's just pass for now. Yeah, it's still bugging in direction. Am I missing something? No. I'm doing exactly what he's doing, so... What version am I using? 4.6? What's he got? 4.1. Maybe that's why. Not plus. Score. Plus. Direction. Which is... It's weird that he didn't... Oh! I missed something. Jeez. That's why. I was like, is this some fancy bar that I don't know about? Where's my mouse? There it is. I missed a little bit. It makes more sense. I was like, what the heck is your direction? Let's go R. Much better. Ta-da! Whoa, the clouds are moving really fast. And it's clearing up. Nice! It's supposed to be cold today though. It was raining a lot yesterday, now it's gonna be all frozen up. At least the ice melted off my balcony. I'm supposed to receive my patio set later today, so I'm hoping to be able to put it out instead of having it in my bed in my living room for the next few weeks until it melts. It should be fine for today. Alright, this should be better. Will this work on its own, or is he not done? Okay. Yeah, there's probably something missing. Yeah, I did it right. Yeah, just making sure. Yeah, named animation. We're fine. Else, okay. Ah, we're missing something in process. That's why. I was like, it's not working! Oops. Layer animation. There we go. Should work better now. Wow, wow, so fast! Whee! Wow! Crazy. I did a thing. What character? I haven't named anyone. Not my character. Or are you talking about Pokopia? I named my Ditto Squee. Very creative. It's just brain fart, really. Whee! Okay, that was simple enough. Are we done with this one? Yes, we are done with this lesson! Yippee! Okay, so... Oh wow, it's already 8:15. Wow, that went by fast. Okay, so then in source files, I downloaded that. Okay. Since we're going to another module, I'm not gonna continue, because I'm here right now, creating the map. I will download the source files though, because... Yeah. I might make the map off stream, because... It is a long process and I feel like it's boring to watch, maybe? I don't know. I do, like, depending on if I'm going to the office, I do like an hour and a half if I work from home and an hour if I go into the office, because I have to go a little earlier because I have to walk But yeah, it's only like an hour-ish in the morning just to like get the brain going. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very short stream. Very short. Eventually, I might do like more longer streams at some point, maybe in the evening if I start doing a full game. I might want to get the development a little more advanced, a little bit. But for now, it's just learning, so it's fine to just do like a little bit in the morning. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Pink screen is burning. Ah, it's not that bad. Pink is not that bad. Like, do you prefer my blender? My blender is even more pink. I love pink though. This one's nice. I like this theme. Like, I wish I could do this with Godot. But yeah. Hee my little isometric bedroom. Yeah. So for those who are interested in watching 3D stuff, anyways, this is on Fridays. Fridays is Blender. The time for some Blender. Yeah. Beautiful little room. Ugh, it's not from me. I didn't make this. This is like a tutorial. Mine's a little different though. My room's pink. Archangel, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. As a work color it is? No! It's fine! I can see when the sun shines at least. Deal with it, okay? You'll get used to it at some point. You'll be like, alright, pink, right. Yeah. Yeah, the strawberry shortcake blender, like I really like it. Like the buttons are like nice and everything. They've got like a good contrast. This one's kind of like, I can't seem to figure out how to like fully customize it, but I don't think I can either. Like I'd like maybe this could have been like pink, full pink, like Blender. Could have been nice. But no. 400 hours, yes. Yes, because that's the challenge going on right now. Yes, also I'll pause. What's the Godot skill? 86 and 41 minutes. Let's update that right now. I mean, we did an hour, it's not bad. But yeah, sound design definitely needs a little help. I don't know why I'm so insecure with sound design. Like even streaming, I'm like, oh, I so don't know what I'm doing. So like, I feel so weird about that one. We took 100 weeks-ish if it's all on stream. Yeah, it's definitely not all on stream. Definitely not. You can see with Blender, the 3D modeling. Yeah, I went a little ham on that one. Yeah, Wednesday's a chill day. So it's once a week for all of them. Yeah. And yes, I am a web dev, but yes, I'm using Google Sites because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to mess with this so much. But yeah, if you're interested, like I talk about what I use, all my gear and everything is there. The skills, I try to like list out the resources I use, like whatever I need. So if you're wondering like, oh, what did they use for this? And you can like figure it out on the, not figure it out, but like find it on the website. Yeah, do things in early dev, yeah. Sound shouldn't be endgame though. That's the thing. From what I've figured out, from what I've seen online of people talking about videos, sound should never be the end. It should be in the process of making the game because you have to add them to specific places. It should be thought with the programming and all that. Like Wise. Like, yeah, you can see I have Wise down there, which we're learning on Thursdays. That's better. Oh geez. Yeah, I don't use Instagram much. I don't know what to post. The problem, like, I don't have much visual stuff to share. Like coding, you can't really share. Like I could share my art. Patrick, I'm definitely gonna share, but I feel like I don't have many finished products. I try to mostly put finished products on IG, which I don't have a lot of right now. Yeah, you see that light? This is why I use light mode. exactly why. It's getting so much worse as the summer's getting by. When the summer's gonna be here, like at 5 in the morning, I'll have the sun like directly there. It's gonna be in my face. Then I'll probably use a shade. Yeah. Yeah, it's very like it shines on the monitor. Like it shines back there and then reflects back to my monitor. Yeah, the sun really came out. Oh, now there's a cloud. Yep, crazy. Very crazy. But it's good. That means getting closer to summer. Yay. I'm actually excited about the summer, even though I hate heat. I really hate heat. But I'm like, yay, new apartment to like enjoy summer. Yay. Like I can't wait to just like read on my balcony back there. And just like, it's probably gonna have to be morning hangouts in the morning, like on the balcony, because I only get sun till like 9 or 10. No, actually till 11. Yeah. And then after that, no more sun for me. It's gone. Tinting the windows work? I can't exactly tint my windows. They're not mine. Second, I do have shades. Like I do have these like long shades that come down. But yeah, they're full windows that go from the floor all the way to the ceiling, all the way to each wall. So yeah, not much wall on that side. But yeah, that is why it is this bright. I'm still trying to figure out my colors though. Slowly but surely we'll get something nice. I think I can go in and change all the codes and stuff. Like I can probably change all this too. Like even that's a little too pale. Yeah, it's hard to see. My mouse is definitely hard to see. Yeah. Am I single? Yeah, and I'm perfectly fine being single. Yes. I've even had like occasional thoughts sometimes like, oh, maybe I could date. And I'm like, nah, I don't feel like it. Too much work. I don't got time for that. Eat bits, hello. Good morning. How's it going? It's going. It's bright and sunny all of a sudden. Oh, no longer. We've lost it. It's dark. It's gotten dark again. Just a little bit, just to give myself... It got so dark all of a sudden. But how are you doing? How's your morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are? We are close to ending though. Very close. Because with 7 minutes, we don't have much time to do much, sadly. Hold on. Just checking something. I am getting thirsty though. I kind of regret not bringing my water. Oh well.
Remember, I got my break clear, brother.
You can already tell where we're going. You're being set up on a blind date. Ugh, I've never done a blind date. I don't know if I'd be able to do that. I'd be like so uncomfortable with that. Oof. Yeah, the sun is playing peekaboo. It is indeed. But yeah, I have these occasional brain farts where I'm like, dating someone. I'm like really thinking about it, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to. It's kind of hard nowadays to find decent people. I feel like with all the alpha male discourse, you never know what you can end up with. Like, it's getting creepy dudes. Lots of creepy dudes out there. Lots of weirdos. People that are really nice at first, and then they turn out to be, not great. So like, yeah, I'm good on my own, you know? I think fine. Yeah. And I think I've come to terms with it. Be like, yep, I'll be that one random aunt that doesn't have anybody to be with. A little bit like flirty with people, but like don't want to do anything about it. No. Other than that, in my family, we're a lot that are not like, don't have any children. Like my cousin is also single like me, and we're like, we're fine, we're good. Yeah, dating kind of not great these days. Like I'm good. I'm getting older also, so I'm like, I like my little my little space, and I don't like to like bring other people in sometimes. I'm like, they'll mess it up. Antonio, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. An alpha female? Nah, I don't want to be alpha. I don't want to be riddled with bugs. Like an alpha game. Alpha's not great. Nowhere is better. Both of them are great. For full release. Yeah, I would rather full release. Less bugs. A little more sturdy. You know? Same boat. It's easier to be single. It's so much easier. So much easier. Like, nobody's around to like mess up your cleaning and stuff. If you're not clean, it's your problem. Which happens sometimes. I need more girlfriends. I find it hard to find girlfriends that are more into gaming and stuff. Like, I don't get along with girls well. Generally, like, I have trouble finding people I vibe with for girls. They usually like other stuff that I'm like a lot of people at work also, they like all have kids, so they start talking about their kids, and I'm like, what am I doing here? It's like, I don't vibe much with those people. Like, they're nice and all, but like, I wouldn't hang out with them. Yeah. Game dev joke, yeah, bugs. Right, alpha, that's what an alpha is. Alpha, I can't speak. A cat can talk to and hang out, but we still have our own things going on. A cat, yes. There's a cat cafe not far from where I live. Like, I'm allergic to cats, but like once in a while I can go to the cafe and like pet some cats if I take some allergy pills. It's great. And then I don't have the responsibility of taking care of the cats, which is great. But I do have a fish and maybe eventually frogs, which are a little more wet than a cat. I'd rather be day one patch male than an alpha male. Yeah, right? It's already better. Day one patch? At least there's a patch. At least there's something fixed. What does that mean? What, the alpha stuff or the pets? What it means is when we're talking about alpha games, it's because alpha is the first version of game that works, functions kind of. Beta will be the one where your public's gonna test the game. Alpha's more like internal, I guess. Is it just internal? I mean, you can have testers that you get into the alpha, external testers. Yeah, past beta testing phase. Yes, indeed. That would be much better. So somebody who's gonna tell me I'm an alpha male, I'll be like, oh geez. Yikes. So you still haven't gotten your patch yet? That's why? Omega male. Is there an omega patch for games? Like, is that a term? I think I've only ever heard of alpha and beta. Delta, maybe? Delta. What's the other ones? Oh god. I know they use them for like frats and stuff, but what are the other ones? Omega? I guess, yeah. Sigma, that's the one I was looking at. Oh yeah, Sigma males. Yes, that's another one. Ah, it means nothing. It's so silly. Yeah, alpha is internal, that's what I figured. Unless you have some testers for internal stuff. It happens. I think like Petit Planet, it's so weird to say, by Hoyo, there was a testing phase, but I don't think that was a beta because part of the game wasn't finished, so I guess that would be an alpha, kinda. Omega's the N? Not Z? What? It's all delusional, agreed. Like, you can give yourself whatever label, but it doesn't change your personality. If you're an asshole, you're still an asshole. You're not alpha. It's so silly. Yeah. Like, a little introspection for these people sometimes would go far. Yeah. But yeah. Alpha Omega means the beginning and the end. Oh. So Omega is better. Like, why would you want to be an alpha? I know it's the whole, like, animal kingdom thing, but apparently, from what I heard, the whole alpha male with wolves and stuff only applies to in captivity. Does not apply to the wild, apparently. So it's no better. Apparently. Just a rumor, don't know if it's true. So yeah, alpha in captivity. So I guess that person hasn't seen the world. They're stuck in their little ways, maybe? The first will be the last type deal. Huh? Yeah, so anyway, it is past 8:30. I must go. I must indeed. And we will be raiding out to Kirsty. Yay! People are on. And I believe Kirsty has fixed her internet issues. Hopefully. Hopefully for her. Oh my god! We passed 2,000 followers again! We're back! Wow! I'm not gonna do a celebration that much because we've done it in the past. It's just that when I stopped streaming, I lost some of the people. And we went under 2,000. And then it's like, yeah, we're back! Alright, so sadly, I must end the stream. We're gonna read out to Kirsty. She's doing some arts. What is she doing right now? She's doing some paint. Some nice paint. She does some arts. We're reading a lot to rate art people so far. I don't have that many people that I follow for dev stuff yet. So yeah, we're gonna go out to Kirsty. Schedule is down there, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow is the free day. It's kind of the day where we just chit-chat, look at stuff, brainstorm, whatever. Thursday is the sound design day, and 3D and Blender for Friday, which is my favorite day. Because I like some 3D. Maybe I'll specialize in 3D after all this. I'll be like, I really like 3D. Maybe I'll make assets. Who knows? Leader versus follower, and shouldn't be taken too seriously. A real leader doesn't just yell at people. There's that. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's an office day tomorrow, so it's only an hour. Yep, office day. We're back to normal, doing Wednesday, Thursday this week. Should be pretty normal. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're reading out. Hold on, where's my button? Reading out to Kirsty. Say hi. Be nice.